Okay, so we have 4 times 16. What can we use to solve 4 times 16? What equation can we use to help us solve this? Well, let's start with the model, right? So normally we'll try to model 4 times 16 with 4 rows of 16, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 4 rows of 16. That's 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16. Great. So we know this is what 4 times 16 looks like. Now, we don't normally have the lines, but we would have 4 up top, and then we would decompose the 16 into 10 and 6 because we got 10 on this side, 6 on this side. These are smaller numbers that are easier to multiply. Now, I added the lines just so you can see this is, in fact, 4 rows of 10 and 4 rows of 6, but we don't really need the lines. Okay, so now let's go ahead and solve this. 4 times 16. Well, the first thing I would do is 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is 40. That's easy. Now, that was the first part of our equation. We asked the question, what equation can we use to help us solve this? Well, we just did 4 times 10. Boom. 4 times 10 is part of the what we're going to use to solve 4 times 16. Now we still need to do this section, which is 4 times 6. We know we have 4 rows of 6 over here, which is 24, and we just did something else. We did 4 times 6. Boom. So in order to solve 4 times 16, we did 4 times 10, and then we did 4 times 6, and we're adding that together. So this is the equation that can help us solve 4 times 16. 4 times 10 plus 4 times 6. What about this one? 7 times 28. What equation can we use to help us solve this? Well, we know we're going to do 7 times 20 because you can imagine we have 7 rows of 20 here, and that's just 140. But that's the first thing we did. We did 7 times 20. And then to find this section, we're going to have another 7 rows, but this time they're going to have 8 in each row. So 7 times 8, and that equals 56. So to solve 7 times 28, we did 7 times 20, plus we did 7 times 8. And altogether, that would give us 7 times 28.